Wanted to give a demonstration on this Greenworks 1700 PSI 1.2 gallon per minute little tiny pressure washer. This thing is very compact, which is what I needed, and you're not going to buy this unless you need to save space. But I believe it was $70 worth of coupon inside of Lowe's. So I'm going to give you a demo, and this is what I'm cleaning out here. This is a van seat that's been up in a barn, so it's covered in chicken poop and a whole ton of dirt. So I'll show you what the other one looked like, because that's one of two seats. This is the other one. This one looked the same as that one about 5 minutes ago. Now it's pressure washed and drying. So seats are salvageable as long as you get them dry and they don't develop mold. You can pressure wash them. Obviously, take them out of your vehicle. Yep. Yeah. So let's go pressure wash that guy. So it's got this little turbo nozzle here, and excuse me, I got a bucket. And yeah, let's get going. So you can see the pattern that turbo nozzle blows it in, which makes it really nice, because otherwise it would just be pinpoint. Alright, I'm just gonna let that thicker stuff kind of soak a little bit. Yeah, you can just see the amount of dirt on this. That chicken poop is some tough stuff. Especially when it's in fabric. So yeah, I really like this nozzle because it gives you that high pressure, but in a circular motion, so you can cover more area. Otherwise, I'd be putting holes in this, well, possibly at least. So it's nice that it spins. This it does a pretty good job. I'll show it back here on some concrete. Now this concrete isn't super dirty, it's just got some mud on it, but you can kind of look at it. That's your purpose with this thing. But you can see the spiral pattern of it. This concrete isn't actually dirty, not really, it's just got mud on it. So it's not like built up dirt. But, I mean, it seems like it'll clean pretty well. Don't expect it to do 3,000 PSI, but for, general home kind of stuff, spraying down your siding or a little bit of concrete sidewalk, this thing seems like it'll do a good job. Or those random times when you just need to clean something really well. Alright, thanks for watching.